Wayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the IBM Selectric 3 here in front of me. And I was just about done with a complete service on this. Past due complete service. People put this off for 15 years. Guy swears this is can't live without this machine, but hadn't had service in 15 years. Not the best idea in the world. Trying to get this to focus up. Look, it's freaking out. Poor camera. Okay, so the trouble after I got all done with some regular maintenance, including rebuilding this platen collar, was, and you got to listen closely to this to catch it, but it's making a weird noise here on the index, so I'm going to run it by here. So it makes that little extra click right there. Right there. And that doesn't seem right. So I investigated and pretty quickly saw that the roller down here, which is going to take a little bit to see, has those little grooves in it, the detent roller. And that's causing a misfeed of the right there. It catches a certain part of it, and it's not feeding right there. So about every 7 rotations or so, it gets a slight indexing anomaly. And what happened here, which is not too common on Selectrics, the detent roller, which is going to be a hard thing to video here, has grooves in it, and I don't think I can get my machine over any further. There we go. So you can see the grooves in that roller. And that roller is difficult right there, and that's affecting. That should be round, solid. So this is on a shaft, and there's a super small C-clip right inside this edge right here. We're going to pop that out and replace this. And I'm telling you, not easy to do. That little clip in there gets lost so easy. Thankfully, I have a couple in case I lose this one. Not sure I can do this on camera totally, but see if we can get this to focus up at all or something here. So there's a little tiny clip right on the side there, and it's a little tricky to get out of its slot. So I'm going to have to find something else here. Use these 2 tools. Get that clip out of there. Let's see. Did it with my fingernail on the one I took the part off of. Okay. Clip is out of there, but I don't know where it went. It's not connected to this. So this little shaft should slide out. I think it's out of there. Yep, so the shaft slides out now. That is so small. It's not even funny. Oh, there's the old one. And the other piece just flew in here. And grab it before I lose it. So there's the other piece. Let's take a look at these closely, just for fun. So here's the old one. It's got the grooves in it. And I found another one off another arm I salvaged. Here it is. But you can see it's starting to groove. It's got a little marks on it. So I got another one. That's, oops. That's good. And it just went into the case here. Let's see if I can fetch it. Okay, so there's a new one. Well, that's the one we're going to put in. So this one's bad. This one's bad. We're going to put that one in. And we'll probably use the same pin. Find it over here. I can't find it. I'll use my spare pin. So let's take this and move this back over here. And we're going to see if we can do this. So this piece, I think I'm going to put it on the hemostats. Like that. So I'm going to put that in here. Get this little pin lined up. Let's see if I can get this. Okay, that's not going to work. See? Already. Okay. So, put this guy in place, put the pin through there. There we go. Okay, so now all it needs is that little C-clip. Put in there. Which is going to be tricky. Okay. So, grab one of these little clips. Right there. Stick it on the end of my screwdriver. Like so. I'm going to stick it in place. Hopefully it doesn't spring out of there. Okay, it's close. See if I can get this sucker. I'll use my fingernail as a slide. Okay, what you say? This is a tricky job right here. Okay, so it's down in there pretty far. Just clip in here. It's just going to come right out. Nope. Didn't get it. I got it in there. So now that pin is secured in there, and we got a new roller. And that's going to solve that clickety problem. So this is just a lack of maintenance issue for the most part. And something a lot of people probably wouldn't even catch unless they were very in touch with their IBM Selectric. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter. Now their Selectric fixed.